નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 4th, Subject Environment, Chapter number 12, Changing Times, Part 2.
Good morning, students. How are you all? See, in our first part of chapter number 10, Changing Times, we have learned that when there was a partition of India and Pakistan, how much the people have to struggle and how much difficulties they have to face and what kind of houses were made at that time. So all these things we have learned in our part 1. Okay, now let us start our part number 2 of changing times. Okay, so we have seen what type of houses were made in the ancient times. So they were made of the mud, right? So now next is changes in time. So after the time passed, what kind of changes have came in the people's life and also in the types of the houses? Let us see now. So now the Nilabhai is saying that time passed very quickly. Okay, so they worked hard and finally they have settled at that place, means at the Kharcharia village. They are now settled at that place only. So as they have settled their life in Kharcharia, so his father and mother, they both want that Nilabhai must get married now. But what is Nilabhai thinking? So he thought that before getting married, they should repair their house and build one more room in their house. So as you know that after the marriage, there will be one more person included in his house. So they need one more room also. Okay. So in those days, people in the cities were using cement to make their house, because they said that if they make house with the cement, then their house will be more stronger than the mud house. Okay, so they also thought that they should use cement. So that's why they used iron and cement to make the roof of their new room. Okay, so in those days, unbaked bricks. What is unbaked bricks? So in Gujarati we say it as a bela. Okay, so at that time unpacked bricks were available. So they used bricks to make their wall. Okay, so the use of the bricks was beneficial, because if they make the roof with that, they don't have to coat the wall. Previous, when they made walls or the floor and the roof with mud, that at that time they have to coat them with the mud. But at this time they are making the roof with the unbaked bricks. So that's why they don't have to coat it. Okay. So what they used to do? So once in a year they used to whitewash that wall. Whitewash means color. So once in a year they color that wall. Okay, it's okay now. But before, if they make their walls with the mud, then they have to coat the mud regularly. Means after 15 or days or 1 month, they have to coat one more time. Okay. And they have also made a small kitchen in the courtyard. Courtyard means angan. Okay. So the kitchen in the kitchen there was one chula which was made of the mud and a place to keep the vessels. So in the previous time there was no gas stove. So the people have to cook food on the chula, which was made from mud. Okay, so after making one more room or repairing the house, finally Neela Bhai got married. Okay, and his wife also came in new house. Okay, so his wife used to cook in that kitchen on the chula. Okay, so while his wife is cooking, she has to sit down on the floor because chula is on the floor itself. But nowadays in everybody's house there is a gas stove, then a platform, so everybody can cook the food by standing itself. But at that time there was no platform, so his wife was cooking food on the floor in the kitchen, and all the other persons, they used to sit on the mats to eat the food, because at that time all the persons or the family members, they used to sit down on the floor and eat their food all together. So he is saying that it was a very happy time. But nowadays everybody is busy in their work, so they will get the rarely time to spend with their family. Okay, so some of the people used to go in the field for the toilet. See, in many of the houses there was not even the facility of the toilet, so they have to go in the fields. But Neela Bhai, they have made one small toilet with these bricks behind their house. Okay, so now as the time passes, there are some more changes in their houses and the family also. Now Neela Bhai has 7 sons and 1 daughter. All were born in that house itself. Okay, so the time was passing very fast, and all his children, they have completed their studies also. So 20 years ago, his daughter Zami got married and moved to the another village. Which was that village? That was the Rafu village. Okay, and when his son Lakha got married, they thought that they should get a house ready for the new bride. Okay, so when Neela Bhai was getting married, they have made one room. Now his son Lakha is getting married, so now they have to make a new house for the bride. Okay, so by that time everybody were using the bricks to make their houses. Okay, so they also used bricks to make the walls instead of the bamboo roof. Okay, and they used tiles, then iron, then cement to make a strong roof. Okay, so in the toilet now they have put the pipes so that the waste materials gets outside. Okay, so now they have made the kitchen little bigger also. Okay, so now Lakha's wife, she is rarely using the chula. Rarely means sometimes, because she is now cooking on a gas stove. Okay, so now his grandson is not living with them. See, his son has got married. Now his son is also there, means his grandson. So he is living separately in his new house or the another house. So he has to go for the shopping in the city. There he has seen tall buildings and there were many kind of facilities in that buildings also. So he is the son of the new generation. So he built house with the facilities like toilet, kitchen, etc. Okay, and in his house he has made facilities, as you know, that of toilet and kitchen, which was very difficult to build. Okay, so the few years ago Lakha renovated the toilet and the bathroom. So he used colored tiles in his bathroom. So spending too much money for the place where you have to take a bath, so he is thinking that it is not fair to spend too much money in such a place where you have to just take a bath. So the older people or the people around 70 to 80 years ago, they have faced so much difficulties. So that's why they are thinking that wastage of money should be stopped. So we should spend money only where it is needed, right? So now he is 80 years old. So till in all these years, he has seen so many changes in his house itself. Okay, so he is saying that I don't know where my grandchildren will want to live and how their house will be. What are the houses like in Aliar's Tando village today? So he is thinking that he doesn't know where his grandchildren will live or what kind of houses they will make, what will be the facilities in that houses. He is not knowing anything. But he is thinking that what kind of houses will be today in the Alwar village, Tando. And I also think that where would my old friends be now? So he is remembering his old house in the Tando village and his friends. Means after the partition they have came to India, right? Before that they were living in the Tando village in Pakistan. So he is remembering the days when he was 10 years old. Okay, so he is remembering his friends also, means what his friends will be doing at this time. Okay, so this was our chapter number 12 and the story of Neelakant. So now there is given one picture in this chapter and asked some of the questions related to that picture. So now let us see that picture. So now let us see this picture. What you can see in this picture? So in this picture you can see there are some of the people, they are working. Okay. So there is one potter, then laborer, electrician, okay. Then mason, plumber. Okay, so there is given one table and in that table you have to write what kind of people you are seeing in this picture, what work is done by them and which tool they are using. Okay, now let us see this table. So in this table it is given 3 columns: work, tool and what is the person called. Means we have to write the work done by that person, then which tool they use to do that work and what is that person is called. Okay, now let us see the first one. Make various things from clay. Okay, so who makes various things from the clay? So he is a potter. And what does it use? Wheel. Okay. Now the next is mixes cement, sand and water to make concrete. Okay. And to do this, what are his tools? Spade and a tub. Okay. And what is that person called? It's a laborer. Now the next is, does the our house, he is called mason. Okay, and these are his tools. Okay, and does the masonry of house means he makes our house. Clear everyone? Now let us see the rest of two persons also. Now the next work is does the electric work of the house. So who does the electric works or the wiring of our house? It's an electrician. And what are his tools? Tester, pliers, wires and a drill machine. Okay, so these are his tools. With the help of these, he does all his electric works. Now the next is fits various types of pipes, tapes, etc. And what are the tools used for it? Pliers, spanners and drill machine. And who does all these work? A plumber. Okay, so these are the person that you can see in this picture and the work done by them and the tools used by them. Clear everyone? So in this chapter we have learned the time before 70 to 80 years and the today. Means how much difficulties our elders has to face because there was not too much facilities as you or we can get today. Okay, so now everybody has cleared this chapter.
Thank you for joining us.